Hi, my name's Jenna Lowe, and I'm with Spatialists, and I will be teaching your social media marketing for architecture and design course. We're going to cover how to take the content that you already have and create compelling posts on social media platforms. So one of the best things about being in an architecture or design business is that you already have really amazing content to post that will engage your audience. And in working with businesses for over 20 years in marketing, this is one of the biggest complaints that I hear about social media. What do I post? What's going to be compelling? Is somebody really going to share this? And the cool thing about what you do is that, yeah, people are going to share it. They're going to love it, and they're going to talk about you. And so we're going to talk about how to leverage the content you already have, how to post it, how to use hashtags and engage with your audience, and also how to not make it such a huge deal that it takes up all of your time. So we are all really busy running our own businesses already, and this should just be an extension of what you're doing every day. It should just take you a few minutes, and we are going to also cover how to best capture and record what it is that you're doing on a daily basis. So whatever your business is, whether you're an architect or you're a designer or you do 3D animation or you're a landscape architect or you're an interior designer, you have got awesome content, and I'm going to show you how to leverage it.